This is a walkway next to the a mill race off of the Willamette River. Or it's Willamette?
Willamette, it
okay.
is.
That's nice how easy rowing is here.
Yes. I'm not sure where the crew works out. I think they don't work out on the mill race. They go to Dexter Lake, the University of Oregon rowing.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. It's big high school sport here, rowing.
Yeah, I've seen how fast they go.
Yeah.
With that many people rowing, they can really go.
They can really move it, yeah.
Yes. Oh, we're going up to the university, or?
We're going to be where we can see the university football stadium.
Yes.
And the Mashofsky Center, which was funded by Phil Knight and Mashofsky.
Wow.
Yeah. The man that owns most of the interest in Nike
Yes.
is a U of O alumnus, and is very generous to the sports team.
Wow.
Just recently funded a new basketball arena.
Wow.
And they use that for other things too. I saw the Dalai Lama when he came to Eugene there.
Wow.
Yeah.
Eugene's not a very large city. I wonder how he found the time to come here.
Well, he was specially requested by a Tibetan woman over 15, 20 years.
Wow.
Yeah. And he came because of her continuous prayers. And Sam, we're going to turn right on this trail.
Yes.
And then see that next little bridge?
Yes.
We'll go over that one.
Okay.
And I think we have time to walk back on the other side of the
Yes.
river
Oh, that'll be nice.
and get back to the E-Web fountain.
Yes. Looks like this was a recent addition. Oh, here's a brown trail we could have come on.
Yeah, there's a running trail. They make good use of this park. It's called Alton Baker Park. And it has Eugene's tiny, tiny version of OMSI
Okay.
called WizTech Science Center. So here's part of the mill race.
Yes. Oh, it makes that hook.
Which hump?
Hook. We're going through the hook right now.
Oh, the hook. Yeah. We can shortcut the hook too if we want.
Yeah.
You want to stay on the trail? Or?
Yes.
Okay.
Then how are we crossing the mill race?
On that brown bridge that you see right there.
Okay.
And then we'll go past the little science center, and then we'll take a beautiful big foot bike bridge over the Willamette,
Okay.
upstream from the E-Web fountains that we saw earlier. And this is Cuthbert Amphitheater that you're seeing.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, it's a natural grassy area. When I was teaching school, I used to bring my classroom often in the spring here.
Yes.
Because they do nice interpretation of nature.
Oh, I see.
From this area on. Yeah. And they really enjoy it. And if you didn't have the money or didn't get a ticket in time, you might ride your bike here and listen to the music.
Wow.
Because you can still hear it pretty okay. Isn't it pretty?
Yes, it is. I'm filming both sides.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Hi.
Someone watched me drop my hot dog and they ran over my foot.
Uh-oh.
Ouch. That's a strange accident.
It is. And a sad one, I'm sure.
Yes.
Modern sculptures.
Yes. Very playful as well.
Yes. People do like to climb them. So straight ahead of us is the Mashofsky Center, the training center for the athletes, and the Otson Stadium, the football stadium.
Oh, I see.